Diaz Jr., Goa Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3, Giselle A. Lagidao, Sorsogon City Central Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Aurelio S. Pomposo Jr., Naga City Central Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3, Jason D.L. Artiaga, Office of the Regional Director, Region 5. FO3, Roldan Mark E. Bona, Naga City Central Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3, Ketz F. Lasa, Office of the Provincial Fire Director, Masbate, and will also receive a letter of commendation for being the representative of Masbate Province. FO3, Aileen C. Hostiniana, Naga City Central Fire Station, Camarines Sur, and will also receive a letter of commendation for being the representative of Camarines Sur. FO3, Ana Marie J. Danao, Sorsogon City Central Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Vanessa B. Brile, Bakakay Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Joby Christine P. Rodrigueza, Ligao City Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Marani L. Salala, Sorsogon City Central Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Elaine L. Sorbano, Sorsogon City Central Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Mark John B. Conejero, Legazpi City Central Fire Station, Albay, and will also receive the highest in comprehensive examination award. FO3, Martin B. Malco, Legazpi City Central Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Jocelyn B. Nacion, Prieto Diaz Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Lani F. Oven, Gubat Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Solars R. Rialo, Ulangi Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Segbred R. Rosales, Camaligan Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3, Michael L. Racines, Santo Domingo Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Anthony C. Aldave, Pandan Fire Station, Catanduanes. FO3, Christian E. Figueras, Gubat Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Paul Brian B. Fajardo, Prieto Diaz Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Jose L. Bahar Jr., Aruray Fire Station, Masbate. FO3, Yasser M. Orogo, Legazpi City Central Fire Station, Albay, and will also receive the Non-Academic Proficiency Award and the highest in Agility L Category Award. FO3, Loraline B. Agudo, Barcelona Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Rochelle D. Madraso, Office of the Provincial Fire Director, Masbate. FO3, Jacqueline L. Arandia, Legazpi City Fire Station, Albay, and will also receive an award for Highest in Aptitude, Alpha Company, Devotion to Duty Award for being the class secretary, a service award for overall daily health monitor, and a letter of commendation for being the representative of Albay Province.
Continue. FO3, Allen C. Lucito, Legazpi City Central Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Eldrick R. Cadiz, Aroroy Fire Station, Masbate. FO3, Gemma B. Balisbis, Santo Domingo Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Celso E. Embate Jr., Gubat Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Stella Christie C. Oliveira, Binubatan Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Leslie R. Dainla, Daraga Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Alben M. Ordizo, Legazpi City Central Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Elna M. Rialco, OAS Fire Station, Albay. She is also a recipient of being highest in agility female category award. FO3, Mabel C. Amaranto, Daraga Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Romulo Leo F. Almuete, Masbate Central Fire Station, Masbate. FO3, Kalam M. Jacob, Daraga Fire Station, Albay. FO3, K.S. Derry, Ginobatan Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Ramon S. Quiapon Jr., Olangi Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Nick Anthony L. Diarena, Daraga Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Lorena F. Ragasa, Masbate Fire Station, Masbate. FO3, Ronel M. Raposon, Legazpi City Center Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Gilbert S. Endaya, Barcelona Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Iris Joy S. H. Sayon, Sorsogon City Central Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3, Caldwell B. Derry, Office of the Provincial Fire Director, Sorsogon. FO3, Charmaine Rose C. Waraquel, Makakay Fire Station, Albay. FO3, Anthony M. Mahinay, Naga City Central Fire Station. FO3, Godofredo C. Behino Jr. II, Daet Fire Station, Camarines Norte. FO3 Behino Jr. is also a recipient of a letter of commendation as representative of Camarines Norte. FO3 Hazel B. Albanio, Iliga City Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3 Carlos A. Esparza, Placer Fire Station, Masbate. FO3 Ulysses B. Diesta, Office of the Provincial Director, Masbate. FO3 Daniel N. Marcaida III, Masbate City Central Fire Station, is also a recipient of Service Award as Daily Health Monitor of FO3 Angelo Franco Caida, Masbate City Central Fire Station. FO3 Ronnie M. Recato, Ginobatan Fire Station, Albay. FO3 Domingo M. Miliana II, Legazpi City Central Fire Station, Albay. FO3 Raquel N. Lim, Kataingan Central Fire Station, Masbate. FO3 Leo P. Buenafe, Legao City Fire Station, Albay. FO3 Bruce G. Magcarayo, Donsol Fire Station, Sorsogon, is also a recipient of highest in skills. FO3 Jaisa Crystal and Abasolo, Magarao Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3 Roxanne E. Dolof, Hirosin Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3 Tristan Freddy A. Rivero, Tigaon Central Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3 Sherwin A. Magtango, Virac Fire Station, Catanduanes. FO3 Jose Aldrin A. Recebido, Hirosin Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3 Jose B. Latade Jr., Caramoan Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3 Reniel O. Rosaria, Hirosin Fire Station, Sorsogon. FO3 Daisy S. Serrano, Camaligan Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3 Marites P. Maniago, Pamplona Fire Station, Camarines Sur. FO3 Marjo C. Isorena, Virac Fire Station, Catanduanes.